So for this tutorial I'm using leftover yarn that I have left from different projects and 4mm crochet hook. So we'll start right away. I'm gonna start with the slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. Two double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and 3 last double crochet. Chain 1 and join to the top initial chain. So 4 clusters or 4 times 3 double crochet, chain 1. Okay. I'm gonna continue with the same color. I'm gonna chain 3. And in the chain 1 space, I'm gonna add 2 double crochet. In the next chain 1 space, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Okay, so here my yarn is finished. I'm gonna join another yarn. What you can do, you can make a knot or you can add it the way I'm gonna do it. So chain 1, insert, and then secure it in the front and work your double crochets. So 3 more double crochet. And then again in the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. We'll repeat till we are back to the starting point. 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Again, I'm gonna join another color. I'm choosing random colors so to use the leftover yarn efficiently. So here I'm gonna work straight away the left double crochet yarn over, insert the hook into the space, oops, and work the double crochet right away. And secure your yarn while working this way and work the next 3 double crochet. chain 1 and join to the top, chain 3. Oops. So this is row 2. I'm gonna continue to row 3, chain 3 again, and again 2 double crochet in the chain 1 space. Okay, 3 double crochet in this next space. So here I'm gonna join another yarn. Gonna join the blue, and then gonna bring this here and this here and yarn over, insert the hook into the next space and work a double crochet and work 2 more double crochet. So in the small spaces, these ones, I will work only 3 double crochet, and in the corners I will work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. If you think the yarn is dark, please listen to what I'm saying as an explanation. Double crochet. And the same in the next space, 3 double crochet only. Okay, so here I have finished 4 squares of granny square with the leftover yarn like we said, and now I'm gonna join these 2, or maybe these 2, no, these 2 and these 2, and then I will show you how to attach them together. These 2. So now I'm gonna attach these 2. So here this is the corner and this is the stitch. So the inner loop from this granny square and the inner loop from this square. The third one as well. And pull the yarn. And go back to the next ones. And to the next ones. Make sure all the stitches, the right stitches are aligned together, so your work is perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, starting from here, going around until I'm back to this side, I'm gonna single crochet around to join both sides together. So I'm gonna insert my yarn with the same crochet hook into the corner here and the second corner over here. I'm gonna join my yarn. Oops. Okay, chain one and single crochet in the same corners. Okay, now going to the next stitch. My first stitch is over here and my first one here. I'm gonna single crochet and into the second stitch. Single crochet and second corner. Oops. And fasten off. Okay, and I can hide the thread later on, and that's it. This is my case ready. Very pretty, isn't it? And funky with different colors of leftover yarn. Okay, and this is how it looks. Okay. Okay. Look at this. This is perfect for a gift and for yourself. And very special. Something you can never find in any market. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked. Oh my goodness. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.